So, Apple is gearing up for the iPhone 16 launch with an aggressive production strategy to meet expected high demand, leading to the hiring of 50,000 new workers by its primary manufacturing partner, Foxconn, within just 2 weeks. According to a report by Business Korea, Apple has decided to increase production by 10% this year, setting a goal to manufacture 90 million iPhone 16 units. This move underscores Apple's confidence in the strong market reception for the upcoming iPhone 16 series. Foxconn's Chengdu facility in China, known as the largest iPhone production site globally, is at the center of this ramp-up. The factory, which plays a crucial role in Apple's global supply chain by producing around 80% of the company's iPhones, is now operating at full capacity. The timing is critical, as the peak season for iPhone production typically runs from August to December. To meet the increased production demands, Foxconn has launched a major recruitment drive, adding 50,000 workers in just 2 weeks. To attract this influx of workers, Foxconn has raised wages and bonuses significantly, with reports indicating that the hourly wage has been increased to up to 25 yuan. The hiring bonus, initially set at 6,000 yuan, has been raised to 7,500 yuan starting in August. In addition to ramping up production in China, Apple is also expanding its manufacturing operations in India. Starting with the iPhone 16 lineup, Apple plans to produce a broader range of iPhone models in India, including for the first time, the Pro models. According to Money Control, Apple will begin producing these flagship models in India as early as this fiscal year, with Foxconn once again handling the manufacturing duties. The shift to India marks a significant step for Apple, which has been considering local production of its Pro models for several years. The move is seen as part of Apple's broader strategy to diversify its manufacturing base and reduce its reliance on China. The iPhone 16 series is expected to launch next month, and Apple's intensified production efforts reflect the company's determination to ensure a smooth rollout. By bolstering its workforce, offering higher incentives, and expanding its manufacturing footprint, Apple is positioning itself to meet the anticipated global demand for the iPhone 16. These strategic moves highlight Apple's commitment to maintaining its market leadership and ensuring that the iPhone 16 series achieves strong sales from the outset. So, what do you guys think about the upcoming iPhone 16 series? Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below, and as always, I will see you guys in my next video.